Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, March 3 to 5, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have quite the cold conditions here along the northeastern and northernmost parts of Luzon, as still the northeast monsoon has returned, but it's a little weaker, affecting Batanes and Babuing-Kumap Islands and the northern coastal areas, as well as the northeastern coastal areas of Cagayan Valley. So expect some busy conditions with some passing light showers, drizzles across these areas, with winds of up to 50 to 60 kph. And together with the northeast monsoon, we have here a tail end of a frontal system or cold front. This is known as a shear line, bringing some thunderstorms across the coastal areas of Aurora province as well as northern Quezon. And down here across portions of Eastern Luzon, including the Bicol Region and Eastern Visayas, we have the weaker version of the Amihan or the northeast monsoon, known as the northeasterly surface wind flow. So there are developing thunderstorms over the northern coastal areas of the Bicol Region 6 hours ago, around 2 to 5 p.m. which brought some showers and thunderstorms, heavy downpour across these areas. But in some areas, it's just some light to moderate rainfall so far. And we have another weak shear line here. This is a tail end of a previous frontal system here. And here's the remnants of that low pressure or subtropical low pressure area moving towards the northeast. So this weak tail end will also bring some showers and thunderstorms across portions of Samar Provinces, across portions of Samar Island. And the rest of the Philippine Islands will be fair, with some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon. And the Calayan Island Group and the Scarborough-Panatag Shoal will also be affected by the northeasterly surface wind flow. And we have here outside of the Philippine area of responsibility a surface trough near the equator, just to the south of the Philippine Sea. But this is nothing to worry about. It's only a area of lower atmospheric pressure. So far, there's no LPAs or tropical cyclone that is expected to form within the next 5 to 10 days. And just watch out for possible flash floods and landslides when we have a severe thunderstorms occurring over your area during the afternoon or evening. So far, that's the latest from GovSat. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the tail end of our frontal system. The two ones here and the other one here, while some developing thunderstorms brought about by the northeasterly surface wind flow can be observed also over the northern coastal areas of the Bicol region. As you can see here, beginning around at 3 p.m. until now, there are some cloudiness, but it's expected to weaken. There's another cloudiness here forming over the Albay Gulf, and it is expected to bring rainfall across Sorsogon and Albay province within the next few hours. So far, that's the latest from our zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. As you can see here, there are some areas with isolated thunderstorms over central and northern Luzon. And as we look at our rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, almost all of the Philippine Islands will be slightly better, except for these areas of Eastern Luzon, where the effects of the northeast surface wind flow and the tail end of a shear line or frontal system will bring some isolated showers across these areas. And also drizzle to light rain showers will also be expected over the Bicol region Eastern Visayas and portions of Central and Western Visayas, as well as Eastern and Central portions, plus the northern portions of Mindanao. We also have some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms for the next 3 days. And as we look at our wind.com pressure wind forecast, you can see here the effects of the slight Amihan, or the northeasterly surface wind flow, while strong winds here will be shifting already from the east. But by tomorrow afternoon, easterly surface wind flow by tomorrow afternoon, while the rest of Eastern Luzon, including northern Quezon and Calabarzon, will be under the influence of either northeasterly surface wind flow or the easterly surface wind flow. So it's either way. It depends on how strong the winds from the east or from the northeast. And also here, across portions of the Visayas and Bicol Region, Eastern Visayas, northern and eastern Mindanao, we might see some winds from the northeasterly surface wind flow. Nothing to worry about when it comes to the rain. Okay, it's only light showers will be expected for the next 3 days until Friday across the eastern sections of the country, and also over the Visayas and northeastern Mindanao, and some areas of Sorsogon will also be experiencing some showers come Friday afternoon. And before we leave you, here's the Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA for the next 2 weeks. And for week 1, valid March 3 to March 9, normal weather conditions will be expected across the Philippine Islands. And on week 2, valid March 10 to March 16, same situation. So there's nothing to worry about for the next 2 weeks. We will be experiencing some normal weather conditions, but the chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will still be there, since we are still in a La Nina climate, which is expected to weaken beginning April, and normal conditions will be back in the middle of this year. Okay, so that's the latest for today, and we will be returning again on Friday to give you the weather for the weekend. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.